Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just thought I'd do a little quick thing here on fun targets for the range. A lot of times will buy frying pans at garage sales, yard sales, because not only sometimes they give them to you, but sometimes they will sell them for, 50 cents or 50 cents for 2 or 3 of them. So what I've done in the past is I've rigged up a hinge. So I put a hinge on it and then I'll hang it, from something on the range so that I can have this swinging target. Well, I thought of another way to try this. Rather than doing all that with getting everything drilled and wasting hinges, because you sometimes shoot them, and drilling holes in the top of the pan so you can hang them, which I've done in the past, which is more work than I want to do. I made a little jig, and this is what I made here. It has a couple of wing nuts here, and it's a piece of 1.5-inch pipe. I went ahead and mounted it with a couple of U-bolts. There you can see the U-bolts there on the back of a 2x4. So I'm going to stick that into the ground, and then all you do is take your pan, stick your pan in there, and set it up the way you like. Tighten it down, and once it's tightened down, not only do you have the pan secured in here so it's not going to move around, but you also get this nice tilt onto it. So it's already tilted, a little downward tilt. So just in case spalling and stuff is going to go, down and away, and you got yourself a quick replaceable target. It fits most of these handles. Here's another pan I got here. It'll fit that. Here's a bigger pan I got here, and it'll fit that. So makes it fun and easy. I'll get this set up outside and we'll shoot one, see how it works. Okay, so we've dug in our post, and we are now put up on the range there. We're ready to see if our little pan holding invention is going to do its job. All right, let's take some shots. So what we're going to shoot the frying pan with is going to be CCI Quiet 22, Remington Subsonic, a Winchester Wildcat High Velocity Solids, and a CCI Stinger Pentapoint. So we'll see how each one of those does against the frying pan. So let's take a look at the damage. Okay, so what we got here is the Quiet 22 that hit here and did not penetrate, and that's the one that landed down on the ground. And then we've got the Remington Subsonic here. We've got the Wildcat Winchester 22 solid high velocity, And then here we have the CCI Stinger Pentapoint. And let's take a look at the back. And there we can see what we did to the back there. Nice. Did get some cracking with that first round, but it didn't go through. All right, and the target held up just fine. And we can shoot that up some more. When we're done, we'll just loosen these screws, these little thumb nuts, put in our next pan. Easy peasy. That was fun. All right, everybody. Life is good in Idaho. Live free or die, folks. Thanks for watching.